Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all one of the best natural remedies to manage the symptoms of hypothyroid in just 1 week and will also help you reduce your weight effectively if you're suffering from thyroid and curing it very easily. It is the coriander seeds water, that is the dhania seeds water, which is very much helpful in each and every scenario of hypothyroid and also in reducing your weight in good amount. Now the symptoms of hypothyroid are weight gain, depression, joint pain, sensitivity to heat and cold, high cholesterol levels, vision problems and a dry skin. One of the main symptoms being weight gain. Now what you have to do is have this drink every morning for at least 1 week before your breakfast. Coriander seeds water is definitely one of the best and most effective natural remedies that will help you to manage the symptoms of thyroid in 8 days or just a week. Let's check out the ingredients for this drink, which are very easy and simple and readily available in the kitchens. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds / dhania seeds and water. Now, how to prepare this drink? Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds to the boiling water and cover it. Let it boil on a low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove it from the heat and eliminate the dhania seeds from the water. Transfer this coriander water in a glass and have it warm. Drink this water every morning for at least 1 week to get the results. This remedy is very natural and completely safe to use. It will effectively manage your thyroid symptoms and you will be able to see the change in you and your symptoms of thyroid very easily and quickly. Coriander is a package of 11 essential oils, 6 types of acids and lots of minerals and vitamins with many beneficial properties. It will also help control your blood pressure, high cholesterol levels and boost the healthy bones. Coriander salad is often recommended to patients suffering from hypertension. It consists lots of calcium ions. It reduces the chances of cardiovascular conditions such as heart attacks and strokes. People who want to focus on their bone health should include coriander in their daily diets. Hence, coriander seeds water or coriander is in every form essential and very much helpful for your body. Have this coriander water for at least 1 week to get the desired results, and you can also continue it for the rest of your life because it is in every way very much helpful for your body and especially for thyroid patients. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the ingredients and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you as soon as possible. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and press the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I post or upload a video on YouTube. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I post on my Instagram stories daily how my diet goes each and every day and various free diet plans. The link to it is in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.